Hi everyone and welcome back to Craft Center. I am host on Agri, and in this video we're gonna to talk about some other options and tools in Premiere Pro that will help you to edit your video in a professional way. Let's start it. Today we're gonna to talk about some other options like how to zoom in and zoom out in Adobe Premiere Pro so you can easily edit your video and cut from where you want. Great. So we have a video here, and here we want to know that first of all how to zoom in and zoom out. Can you see here in the timeline it is really short, and if you want to cut a part of this video, just let's see how many minutes or seconds is this video. The video has only 8 seconds. Let's me to bring another one. So for example, we have this video. There are three ways that you can zoom in and zoom out. One of them, you just need to press on the plus key on your keyboard. Just let's try it. And minus key. This is plus and this is minus. You see the change that's happening. So now you can easily manage it. It will give you a better vision how to edit your video, how to cut it from where you want to cut, and all these things. The second way is you can just zoom in and zoom out by this way. As you can see my mouse where it is, just like this. You see, this is another way you can just zoom in and zoom out. And also you can use your mouse by hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option key on the Mac. Then scroll up. You see? Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. As you can see from the video. This is 3 ways that you can zoom in and zoom out in Premiere Pro. The second thing is, what is this here? 1/2 or 1/4. This is about the quality, that bring the quality of your video down, but temporary, okay? And it will bring down and reduce the number of pixels on your video. In this way you can see that the result of your video on Premiere Pro. Just let me to bring some video, for example here. Just let me to bring something here actually. For example, I want to bring this one here. Good. Can you see? Now this line become red. The red means that the computer will have difficulty to show the result of your editing. Let's try and see what it will happen now. Yeah. Can you see how difficult it is? But now if I bring this one to the 1/2, let's see what will happen. Or 1/4. Let's see. You see, it will help you to show the result of your video without any stopping and any problem here. So that's why if your computer is slow, you can use these 2 options, just temporary, and just run your project smoothly until you finish your project. And yellow one means that it is possible to play your video, but it will affect the frame. The most important thing is it needs to be green. But how you can do it, you can either press only enter here, or you can also come to the sequence here, just say render effects into out, or either enter here. Let's try it. Good. Now, can you see? Even if you put it on the full steam, it will be play the video. Look at it. Great. Another thing that we need to talk about it is about source monitor. In the last video, we said that how we can bring and cut a video and just choose a part of video from source monitor and bring it in the timeline. So here now, this video has audio and video. This is video and this is audio. If you just sometimes you just want to have audio, you just need to drag the audio here, and or if you want only have video, you just drag the video. This is help you to drag audio and video separately in your Adobe Premiere Pro into the timeline. And another thing here, you just want you have a long video, but you don't want to bring it inside the timeline. You just want to make this video into different parts and use it later. So how you can do it, as you remember we told you, you can use I key and O key. For example, if you just put this one here and just use I key, and then you want to have until here and O key. So now here, you just need to keep and hold the control and drag the video inside your project. And here it's asking you that to make subscript. So you just can make or choose a name for it. Subscript part 1. And here we have made this one. Now if you just click on it, you can see that this one is shorter than the main one. So this is another thing that you need to learn about it, is about how to make a long video in different pieces and put them inside the project, and then you can use it later. And now we want to talk about the function of backslash key. The backslash key is a handy shortcut in Adobe Premiere Pro that helps you to see the whole of your project in your timeline. This is especially useful for quickly navigating and managing your timeline view. If you just click on the backslash key, it will zoom out your whole project and you will see the whole project in the timeline. And then if I just press on the backslash key, you will see that it will show me the whole project in my timeline. And now we want to talk about how to mute a video in timeline. We have 3 videos here. One of them is this, about the butterfly. But you want to mute it. How you can do it? You just need to come here to this line that the voice are there, and just click on the mute track. It will mute the whole track here for you. Let's try again. You see, it has no sound anymore. And then, what are these things for? For example, V mean that video and A mean that audio. Let me just delete all these things here. And if I just deactivated audio, see what will happen. Oops, the video has no audio. You see? Sometimes you bring video inside the timeline and just saying that, oh, what's happened? Why my video has no audio? It's just because your audio is deactivated. That's why you don't have any audio. Okay? So let's delete it again and just activated the audio. You see? Now we want to talk about another option which is called up arrow and down arrow. It is used to navigate between your edit points. For example, we'll start with up arrow here. You see? This is down arrow, sorry. And then up arrow. It will jump between all these clips that you have put inside your timeline. So now we put 3 videos here, 2 videos more here. And now we want to jump again and use down arrow. Can you see? It jumps between all these clips here. But sometimes, let me to deactivate it. Sometimes, oops, what's happened? It just jumped over these 2 videos. Why? Because you need to activate this video. Number 2, because your video is staying here, and number 3 is staying here. So that's why it's really important that all these things be activated, so then you can jump through all these tracks and videos in your timeline. Okay? You see now it works exactly smoothly, very nicely. Great. And that's it. And thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and feel free to leave any questions or topics you would like me to cover in the next video. Thanks for today.